Shipping internationally with print on demand can be super expensive and take a ton of time. But the print on demand company I want to talk about today has solved this issue. That's coming up. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're brand new here, thanks for watching. Let's jump in. As someone who helps and teaches others how to build profitable online apparel and print on demand businesses, I get asked all the time, how do I sell internationally? And the problem is that most print on demand companies only have one production facility in the country that they're located in, right? If you're living in the USA, you're likely using a print on demand company that has a fulfillment center in the USA. So if you want to sell across the world internationally, that means the product has to travel thousands of miles from your country to the country where your customer is. This creates a huge problem. The biggest problem is the cost, right? It can cost upwards of $20, $30, $40 to ship an item, let's say from the USA all the way over to Australia or vice versa. And you have to pay these costs as the business owner, or your customer has to pay these costs if you pass them on to them. The other problem is shipping delivery times. If an item has to travel across the world, it's likely going to take multiple weeks and it's going to have to pass through the customs on the border, and that just takes forever. So these two problems combined create a huge headache for print on demand sellers and customers alike. Gelato Print on Demand has solved this issue because they actually have production facilities in 33 different countries, and they have an average production and delivery time of 72 hours. This is wild. If you look at this graphic right here, you see all these little dots on the map are where they actually have production facilities. So no matter where you are located in the world, you can now have your apparel products or print on demand products printed and shipped locally in the country that your customer is already located. This completely eliminates the two problems we've been talking about. You don't have to pay very much because the item is being shipped locally, and the shipping time is dramatically cut down because the item doesn't have to travel very far to your customer. This means you can be anywhere in the world and you can sell locally to a customer in another country. This is wild. Before I forget, if you want to try Gelato Print on Demand completely free, just go over to shirtschool.com/gelato and use the discount code Kerry to get 60% off your first order. This promotion is valid when you create your first order within 72 hours of signing up. So just go over to that link and sign up completely free. And I also want to tell you about Gelato Plus and Gelato Plus Gold. Now, Gelato Plus actually offers you additional discounts on shipping. You get 30% off of all standard shipping. So again, you could be selling to multiple countries and you'll actually get an additional discount with Gelato Plus on that shipping cost. In addition to that, you get free shipping on apparel orders over $25 in the Europe and USA until December 31st, 2022. And you also get all of these additional benefits here, like the personalization tool, the premium fonts, the stock images, free graphics, all kinds of stuff. So make sure you use my link down in the description and the discount code Kerry to get 60% off your first order. And if you're watching this during the holiday season in 2022, you might want to check out Gelato Plus Gold. You can actually get free shipping on all apparel in the USA and all products in Europe through December 31st with the Gelato Plus Gold package. You see some of the stats here: 10 million plus orders fulfilled over their 12 years of experience, 200 plus countries and territories within your reach, meaning you can sell to over 200 countries no matter where you're located. Close to 90% of orders are able to be produced locally, reducing carbon emissions, and 72 hours, most orders are delivered within only 3 days. Now, there are a lot of great things about Gelato and a lot of reasons why I think you should be considering them in your print on demand company search. But another one of those reasons is right here, that they actually integrate with a number of different platforms, Etsy and Shopify, which is of course my favorite platform, but also WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, and BigCommerce. So a lot of different options. No matter what platform you're using, you can use Gelato Print on Demand. One question you might have is, how much is shipping with Gelato? And I love the way Gelato's website is set up because they make it very, very easy to find the shipping cost for any product that you're considering selling in your store. the first thing you want to do on their website, up here at the top right, you can change the currency to your local currency. So I've got it set to USD, and then you can click on any product that you want out of the product catalog. Now I'm here on the heavyweight unisex crewneck t-shirt. You can see it's fulfilled in 7 countries, but all I have to do is scroll down and Gelato will show me how much shipping is in my country, which in this case it's $3.66. But I can also see what the shipping cost is to any of the other countries that I might be selling to. So you see that here. And I'm pretty blown away because I know what shipping costs when I have to ship internationally from the US. And this is a huge saving to not only me, but also my customer. And so you can see all that here. You can also see if you are selling additional products in the same order, how much that shipping cost is gonna be. And you can see that it's pretty heavily discounted over here on the right. So this is pretty cool. If we look at something like a mug, we'll see that this mug is fulfilled in 11 different countries. And if we scroll down, we see what the shipping is again for the first item to the USA or any country, and then additional products, that discounted shipping rate there if your customer orders multiple items. Now today we didn't get to cover all the amazing features of Gelato, like their product selection, really much about their pricing, or about their amazing app and their mockups, but I hope to be covering that in a future video coming out very soon. So if you found this video helpful today, hit the like button. That's a great way to return the favor to me as a creator for putting out this video, and also consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon to make sure you get notified when new videos release. And don't forget to sign up for Gelato with the link down in the description, completely free, and get 60% off your first order within 72 hours by just using that discount code Kerry. See you soon.